tour was pretty good. I really enjoyed all the updates the campus had. I thought it was a super nice campus. And it's definitely something to be looking into if you're interested in like a smaller college. And then I was also super impressed with the living centers they had here. I thought the dorms were super nice if you're interested in staying on campus.
I loved it. It was really informative. I really liked seeing all of the buildings because we got a pretty extensive tour, which is nice because for some colleges and visits you only get like the main stuff like the lobbies, but it was really nice. I really liked how they showed up all the buildings, and it seemed like the people directing the tours really had a love for the college. Housing looks really great. I mean, it was one of the things that actually persuaded me and made me more interested in the school. It looked like they kept up and the apartments looked really nice, which surprised me because I've seen some other colleges in their housing which can be kind of bad. This one was pretty good.